Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Droid Guy. For today's video, we are going to teach you how to change clock to 24-hour format from 12-hour format in Windows 10. So let's get started. Now, my clock here at the bottom right corner is actually in 12-hour format. To change this to 24-hour format, the first thing that you need to do is to right-click on this date and time and then select Adjust Date Time. So now we are on the date and time settings. Another method to open this window is to go to the Start menu and then select Settings. On the Settings window, find and click on Time and Language, this one. Now, you need to scroll down until you find Related Settings. Here it is. Under it, click on the link, Date, Time, and Regional Formatting or Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the link Change Data Formats. Click on it. A new window opens. Search for short time. Here it is. Click the drop-down button, then select this format, 9:40. Once done, close the window. And if you check your clock here, you'll notice that it has been changed to a 24-hour format. On my end, it has been changed to 21:56. If you want to go back to the 12-hour format, just go back to the date and time settings. And then select this format, 9:40 a.m. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.